Hello. Hello. Hi, Santosh. Amol here.
Hi, Amol.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon. So, can we start with the session, or anyone, or we waiting for
Anybody
someone
need
to
to
join the
join?
meeting?
Anybody
Sorry.
need to join? Okay.
Like from our end, already joined.
Okay. Both are joined, right?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, both are
Amol,
joined.
is your okay? Fine, fine.
Yeah, you are audible. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Is my voice is clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Amol, is my screen is visible to you? Hello.
Just hold a minute.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Amol,
Varun,
is
am I
my screen
audible?
is visible to you?
Yeah,
Yeah,
your
you are
Yes, you
your
are
audible.
screen is
audible.
visible. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Just to start with, Subhashri is there from my team. So they have been working and associated with the ABCD one service and other applications testing since 7 to 8. Okay. Then we can start the session when you are ready. Uh, yeah, it's
Okay, shall I start? Amol, kindly inform me when you guys are ready.
yeah, we are ready.
Okay, fine. Okay, this KT is about onboarding and homepage. Uh,
Okay.
I'm going to give the KT for the feature which are already in prod build, and also the feature which I have faced recently. Like it is, some features are not moved to prod.
Okay.
Okay, first I will give what are the features was moved into prod. First I will start my KT from onboarding itself. Okay.
Okay. So one question, just one question. So this story is right. Yes, that it is only appearing once you are.
Yeah, hi, Mo.
Yeah.
This is a Figma for onboarding. First,
Mm-hmm.
once we install the application means the screen will be appear. This is called a splash screen. Afterwards,
Okay.
once we pass the splash screen means this login page will be appear to us. Just wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
This is the exact login
Santosh.
page. Hello.
Yes,
Hi,
good.
Santosh. Varun here. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
But instead of showing the Figma screen, can you show us the same in the prod view?
An application.
Yes, in the application.
Recently, I don't have a developer board in my mobile, so I need to explain this feature in Figma itself. If you have any doubt, means clarify.
Okay. Do
Okay.
you have UAT application or SAT
Uh,
application,
No, no, no.
Santosh?
For web,
Okay.
no, no, I don't have. Is it very easy? You can understand. It is very understandable.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Once user tap on this mobile number box means this Google SDK will be open. From there,
Mm-hmm.
the list of numbers which we have in our mobile that will be displayed. From there, we
Okay.
can pick one number. Number means that number will be populated here. Then
Mm-hmm.
the name will be auto fetched from this number. The name which belongs to this number that will be auto populated. That is the previous year.
Auto-populated or we need to enter it
Okay.
manually.
Yeah, yeah. That is yeah. I will explain step by step. Firstly, they have implemented like auto populated. After next CR, they have implemented like in a way of manually enter. If you tap on
Your
the number,
voice is not clear.
hello, is it clear now?
Yeah,
Now
it
it's
is clear.
Yes, yes. Once we tap on the, once we select any mobile number means this name field will be empty as per the new CR. Okay.
Okay.
Previously, I have told no that is auto populated. That is a old CR. I'm
Okay.
telling that like evolution of application. Okay. Now we need to enter the name manually itself, and also this terms and condition will be automatically checked. Once we enter all
Okay.
the details, means send OTP button will be enabled. Okay. These two details will be fetched in T underscore FCM token. T underscore FCM details, that is a database table. I will share the database table laterly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then if you tap on the send OTP means it will be moved towards the OTP section. This is the section. Okay. In
Santosh,
this,
I have a doubt.
okay.
In the name field, on which like I want to know the logic on which basis we are fetching the name.
No.
For the
Right now we are not auto populated the name. It is a manually entered. Okay.
Okay.
This name is manually entered. If we enter manually means this data will be stored in the DB. Okay.
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 Santosh, could you please repeat the name of table once? Because I have list of tables.
Sorry. What name of table?
When
Name of
the
table.
customer.
Yes. That is T underscore FCM details. I will share it later. Okay.
Okay.
Amol Jadhav. Okay.
Yes. Sure.
Okay. It is a FCM details table. This data will be stored, and afterwards, once user give the OTP and tap on submit means, then it will be navigate to the that optional page. Just right.
Technologically very challenged na in technology I'm challenged. I'm not a master like you know how to make a flowchart. X line got AI. That was already content. तीन layer का बनाना तुम्हें दस I think the latest plan गिरीश ने बोला प्रेजेंटेशन बोल रहा था कि मैं विजय को भेजता हूँ वाह बेटा मेरा नाम ये तुम लोग है ये जब नहीं मैं ट्रेनिंग नहीं करूंगा तो गेम कोई और ट्रेनिंग करूंगा प्रयास को
Yeah. Hi, Amol.
Yeah.
Okay. Once we pass that OTP page means this screen will be available. Recently they
Okay.
have okay. Okay, there are two Amol in your side. There are more voice.
Okay, hold on.
Now it's better.
Yeah, now it is better.
Hmm.
Actually, there are two way. One is UPI sim binding, another one is home page. If you tap on this UPI sim if you tap on this button means it will be navigate us to the device binding. Device binding means if we have a sim in our mobile means that sim will be binded into our application. Okay. If you tap on this skip and go to home page means that user have decided that no need for the sim binding. I can go to the home page directly. Okay.
Santosh, there is one request I want
Hmm.
to like whenever you are displaying this screens, na, like once ETA, like OTP send OTP, then verify OTP verification, like that.
Hmm.
So in that explanation, na, please provide validation also, like which validation is required, like so
Okay,
it will
for
be
this
helpful for
KT,
me
the
to understand.
requirement will be hello, hello. This KT, the requirement is like I need to give the KT for the feature only. Validation is your for it is it is normal. It is a general validation. There is no nothing complexity. Just general validation, general input text validation only. Yeah, that's if you tap if you give a wrong OTP means that error message will be appear. It is normal, very general. There is nothing
Like
complexity here.
suppose if
Okay, 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 okay.
user enter OTP 3 times without like a wrong OTP, then what should happen? Like that validation I need from
Yeah,
your side too.
it's very yeah. If we give wrong OTP means then error message will be appear. Then attempts will be refreshed. Then you have three attempts additionally. Uh, that's all. If we give wrong OTP for three times means it will navigate to the login page. That's all.
And is there any cooling period after the 3 attempts?
Polling period. Nothing. No. After three
Like
attempts, it will go to the default screen, and
uh,
from the default screen, you need to enter again into the login page. That's all. After the
so are
default
you
screen, you
saying
need to
that
enter
we are
again.
allowing? Okay, so are you
Yes, yes.
saying we are
Then
allowing the user to try for
no, no,
unlimited time?
no. I'm not saying that. Like, if you give wrong OTP means you will be navigate backward. But that means you should not. If you give wrong OTP means that user should not be entered into the home page, right? Then you
I
need
understood
to
that point,
again
but I am saying
navigate.
after 3 unsuccessful attempts, if
Hmm.
user try to log in with the same details, then we are
You
allowing it.
can't log in with. Okay, just wait. You log in with the same details means again the attempts will be refreshed.
I am saying
Okay.
that after 3 unsuccessful attempts, if user try to enter with the positive, like positive, no, like if user enter the correct OTP or user
You need
enter
to
the
enter
wrong
the
OTP
correct OTP
again,
unless until
then we
you.
are allowing or not, like I say.
Okay, first I will finish my KT, then afterwards you will ask the doubt. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, after you tap on that skip and go to home page means you will enter into the home page. In this, there are two logics are there. In this application, there is no MPIN. Only authentication will be appear. Okay.
Okay. Device
Then
authentication.
another scenario I will try to explain.
Okay.
If you disable the authentication from your if you disable the native authentication in your mobile itself means once you install the app, first the screen will become and then login page. You will do the login and the OTP validation and all. And afterwards, uh,
Hmm.
this screen will become. This screen tells you to just enable. This screen tells just enable your native device authentication. If you tap on this, go to setting means it will be navigate to your native setting of your mobile. From there, you need to enable your authentication. That means you can enable that biometrics like a face lock, a pattern, a password. That like okay. Then afterwards, this screen will become enable the authentication or skip authentication. Likewise, it will be asked. If you skip authentication means this authentication will not be allowed inside the application. The main objective of this application means your device should be enable the native authentication. That's all. Inside the application, you enable the authentication or skip authentication. That is your choice. Okay. Then if you tap on skip authentication means the flow will be enter into the application without any biometrics or password. Okay. Then afterwards, after you enter into the application, this is the Figma for onboarding. Okay. Once I explain the home page means it will be clearly understandable to you. There will be a setting like app settings. Inside the app settings, the permission setting will be appear. Permission setting and device authentication setting will be appear. You can enable the biometrics by using this device authentication. If you toggle on means that biometrics will be enabled to your application. Then if you kill the app and try to relaunch the application means your biometrics will be appear. Once you give your pattern or password means you will be enter into the home page. Okay, this kind of logics will be stored in the DB called customer activation table and customer login details table. Okay, for customer activation table, give the information like whether you install the app, uninstall the app, or reinstall the app. This customer activation table give the details about this like only. In which model device you have used this app, and what kind of battery status you have, what is the version of the app. These kind of basic details was displayed in the customer activation table. For customer login details table, it will be store the details like whether you have entered into the application by using biometrics or if you enter into the application without biometrics. These kind of details will be stored in the customer login details table.
Okay.
And also there are another scenario is there in onboarding. If you log in into the same mobile number for the different mobile means, if you have two mobile, you have installed the ABCD application into mobile itself, and you are trying to log in with same mobile number means, uh, in actual application will not allow the user to log in into the same number for multiple devices. From there, one error message will be appear like multiple login was observed. Once this multiple login was observed, this error message will be displayed for one mobile, and you and that application will be automatically killed for the device which was logged at the first mobile. And
Okay.
also there is a session timeout is there. Yeah, session timeout is basic generally was applicable for all the application, right? In This session timeout was recently implemented in Firebase. In Firebase, they have fixed like a 5 minutes. If you have keep your application ideally for 5 minutes means that session will be get timeout, and the application will be automatically killed. Okay.
Okay.
These details,
Uh,
these details will be stored in the customer login details. I will share the table name later. Okay.
okay.
Uh,
Can you
okay.
show us the screens
Uh,
for that multiple login for
uh,
the
Santosh,
device
just a
authentication?
small question. In
Hmm.
case of multiple login,
Hmm.
user will be logged out from the first device, right?
Yeah, yes, yes. First device will be logged out automatically after showing that error message.
Okay. So like, do user need to click on some CTA to get logout, or
No,
on
no, no, no.
the
It will be automatically logged out. There is no
auto
CTA will
logout?
be. Yeah, that is just a error message. That's all. There is no need of
Okay.
Figma logging. Just a error message.
Okay.
Multiple login was observed. The error message will be shown to you and automatically log out. That's all.
Got it.
Okay.
And and Santosh, one question is like whenever the session gets timeout, the app
Hmm.
will kill automatically or you user need to kill the app?
Oh yeah, this session. Yes, yes. Like this multiple login, right?
Hmm.
This session timeout also killed automatically.
Means from the background itself or
Hello.
only the app will close?
The application will be killed automatically.
Okay.
and you
From
need
the
to re-log in into
background
this.
also, right?
Hello?
From the background also, right?
Yes, yes.
Application.
From the background, the status will be like timeout. Timeout will be displayed on the table like customer login details.
Okay.
Okay.
And suppose I have two devices. I log in from my first device. Then
Okay.
I log in with the secondary device. Then after first device session is got timeout. Application will
No,
close.
no, no, no. Session
Then
timeout is different. Multiple login is different. You are telling the scenario like multiple login. Session timeout is we can do the session timeout in a single device itself. Okay. Let's consider if
that
we
multiple
enter
login
into the
pop-up
home.
also, right? You will get that pop-up.
That
Then I
multiple
guess
login pop.
as per your said that application will be killed from the background from the first device, right?
That is multiple login scenario.
Then my
Okay.
question is like in the table itself, now the login is on secondary device. Then in the table, which device name should display, like first login device or second
Yeah,
device name?
actually, yeah, how it works means that first login, right?
Uh,
That entry will be separate in the database. In that entry,
hmm,
backend will pass like it is a timeout. Okay.
okay.
Your second device you have already installed, right?
Hmm,
That second device is another new entry will be displayed. Okay, that is
okay.
running device like that only. Okay,
Uh,
there are
uh,
two different
I
entries
understood
will
that
be.
point, but
Hmm.
my question is like, whenever we change device for by the time of login, then which device name should get reflected in a DB? First
Yes,
login
yes,
device name should reflect in DB, or it
yes,
will
yes.
get
DB
updated
mod.
whenever we change the device?
Yes, yes, it is reflected. Actually, in
Latest
customer
device name.
activation table, yes, yes. I mean, device model name will be visible on the same row itself.
Varun, just hold the line, simple.
Okay.
For answer to your question, if user logs into different device, then
Hmm.
two different entries will be created. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and for first one, the session will be terminated with the proper reason, and the status will be
Yes.
updated in database. Okay,
Yes.
and second for second status, the session will be active with some status like active, and that will
Uh,
continue.
for the second device, the status will be active. Like
Yes,
there is a one column like a logout type is there in
yes,
a
right.
database. Okay. In that data, the logout type column will be empty for the for the second device.
Yes. Is it clear now, Varun?
Hmm.
Varun, did you how I can say it? Okay,
Okay, yeah,
Varun,
yeah,
if you log in.
he's clear with
Yeah,
the
yeah.
question.
But Santosh, can you show us some Figma screens for the multiple login and the
No, I
session
can't
time?
show because I don't have a developer option mode. So what I'm explaining everything by using the Figma.
So
If
you,
you view into the table means you will be clarifying. Okay.
okay, but I think product team had should have given you the Figma list, like how it should display. Then you are validated the same, right?
Sorry, I can't understand.
Like one say,
Yes, okay. Let me finish the home page. Okay. Yeah, once you understand the home page means it will be very easy to you.
Yeah, yeah,
If you have any
correct.
doubt means just inform me. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Amol and Varun. Is my screen is visible to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. Actually, this is the home page. Okay. This is old homepage. Just leave this general homepage. Okay, I will tell this general homepage later because there are new changes over appeared. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
okay. This is the dialers. Actually, we have a dialers like home, my track, loans, insure, and invest. There are five dialers as well. Like if we tap on this dialer means, if we use a tap on this means, uh, it will be navigate into this section. Like dialer mobile, it will be active. Okay. This is the section called my track. There are some journeys like there are other the journeys was divided into segregated as per the functionality. Okay, this these four sheets was Rovi enabled. In Rovi we can edit these contents, and if we pass the deep link into the Rovi means uh, this respective tiles will be navigate to its respective journey. And there are two banners for appear at the top. These are called opaque banner. If we tap on any button means it will be navigate to the Fly SDK. That Fly SDK is a external that is not our scope. Just I need to explain the navigation. If we use a tap on this means it will be navigate to the Fly SDK. That means LR loyalty rewards SDK.
Okay.
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 And these two types are powered by Ruby or Dida static?
No, these two tiles are code. There is no Ruby.
Okay. And like icons and font, that is
Yeah,
also static.
yeah. For this case, everything is static. In this
Okay.
case, it is a list tiles. Everything is edited. Okay.
Powered by Ruby.
Yes, is powered by Rovi. Next, there are some others like Ensure. These all are this everything is dynamic banners. These are powered by Rovi. We can pass the deep link. We can enable to edit these kind of images and headings and descriptions. And in this
Okay.
case, this Webpack banner will be a Rovi powered.
Okay.
Okay.
And that
in
search
case of
bar on the top will, if we use that search bar on which is present at top, it will
no.
show us the result, right?
Okay. I will explain this content when I going to explain the general homepage. Okay. Just leave it for because okay.
Okay.
Just leave it for now. I will explain later. Okay. Okay.
Sure.
Like that Ensure page, this loan section also it is a dynamic banner and this opaque banner is Rovi power. That's all. Also vice versa for invest also. Invest, right? For invest, these all are Rovi powered. Again, this also Rovi powered. Only in my track, these two widgets will be not Rovi powered. So, and also, okay, next, Varun and Amol, if we tap on the profile icon means this kind of dashboard will be visible to you. Okay. If you tap on profile means your profile will be visible to you. Your profile is like this, right? In this, you can give your data. Once you are not an ABC employee means it will be appeared like this only. If you are ABC employee means the data will be fetched from the HRM API and it will showing like exclusive offer for ABC employees.
Okay.
Okay. That's all from the profile section. And another one is the reports and document. Okay. If you are exploring to some journey and generate any report means that reports will be available here in this section.
Santosh, sorry to interrupt, but there is one question I need to ask regarding the profile section. Like how the application is identifying whether the user is from
Yes.
ABCD.
I have explained now. It will be get your data from the HRMS API.
Okay.
HRMS
Phone
API.
number.
It will be analyzed once you are ABC employee or non-ABC employee. From there, your data will be stored into the another database table like T underscore employee details. From there, your status will be appear.
Okay.
Once
Got
that API hit means it will be automatically identified by using your mobile number, which you employee mobile number, right? You have employee mobile number, right? By using that number only, you are able to identify whether you are a ABC employee or non-ABC employee. That's all.
Okay. Got it.
If I give some random mobile number means I'm not ABC employee, right? Because I'm not giving this mobile number to my company. That's the logic. Okay. Okay, these are the reports. Once you explore these all journeys means that report will be automatically displayed here. And then in this utilities, third section is utilities. In this utilities, you have a discover network hospital, local branches, and like this. It is nothing but
on the front end for ICICI. So
they have
ICICI
separate figure.
how did the price down? Excel or like calculation sheet or Excel or something. So then we can manually calculate and we can verify it like.
Hello. It is a network hospital. Once you tap on that network hospital means the whole page will be displayed like this. Okay. It is act as a Google map. Like
Can you
the
zoom it a
hospital.
little bit? It's blurry. Ah,
Okay.
now it's clear.
Yeah, it is nothing but it is act like a Google map. That's all. It will be displayed like what are the popular hospitals in the popular cities, like that. If
Okay.
you tap on that show map means map will be appear. If you tap on use current location means in your current location the hospital which are near you, it will be displayed in this. If you tap on Bengaluru means that famous hospital will be displayed like which are what are the famous hospital in Bengaluru will be displayed like this. If you tap on the view website means it will be navigate to the website. If you tap on this location means it will be navigate to the navigate. Just a basic map, a Google map of feature only for this. Vice versa. Okay, this is the cashless. That means cashless hospital network or network hospital. We can tell anything anyway. And also the second option is like a branch locator. Branch locator is nothing but from likewise the previous cashless hospital. No, that cashless hospital will display the hospitals. This branch locator will display the ABC branches. If you tap on Mumbai means it will be list of the ABC branches which are near you. That's all. And in this, for the specifically for the this branch locator, this select business tab will be appear. You can if you tap on this drop down means this list of journeys will be appear. In this, in what for what purpose you need to enter reach the branch, that business you need to select it, and you can navigate like this. Next, this list of branch will be displayed like this. Vice versa, like Google Map feature. That's all. That's all from a branch locator. And another one is a calculator. It is a journey specific. Next one is a payment. It is everything like UPI side. It is not in our scope. Next one is app settings. In app settings, yeah, here it is having. This section was eliminated in our app because there is no MPIN in our application. Only these two sections will be appear. For device authentication, I have told already. For your device, you need to you can enable and disable your biometrics by using this section. And also, if you tap on this means you can you refer this app to your friend like WhatsApp or anything else. This is a refer a friend field. And another one is help and support. For help and support, there are some options like yeah, this is the help and support. It is a toll free and it is a chat with us, which was which was displayed in the general app application. And it is a email and FAQs are there. And raise a service request means if you found out any misconception in the application, like if you found any bug in the application means you can raise the bug by using this raise a service request. It will be reached to the ABC employee and they will rectify it. Logout is not come into our application. It should be eliminated. And about us means it will display that about us content. It will give the information about the ABC application because it is a Rovi board, so it is not present in the Figma. We can change anything else. And app version is displayed here. And rate us means it is you are rating the application, like giving the feedback. Uh, Feedback is like If you tap on that banner means the bottom sheet will be open this slide. You can select any feedback from this. That's all from the hamburger menu, and I will now I will explain the general homepage how it is works. Okay. Actually, this is the new changes of the general homepage. Okay. Uh, if you have done the sim binding from onboarding itself means this screen will be displayed in this like because your sim was already binded here. Okay. If you do the scan and payments, you can use this app like a GPay or PhonePe. That's all. And if you haven't done any sim binding means the screen will be like this like and it will be ask the user to set up the UPI sim binding. If you tap on this means sim binding will be processed. And in top section is a my holdings. If you tap on this my holdings, it will navigate the user to PWA section. PWA is not in our scope, so I can't explain that. And also there is a search bar notification is here and the profile icon. Yeah, previously I explained right. If you tap on profile icon, means it will be open the dashboard.
I don't think it's.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, okay. There are some mandatory section in the general homepage, like recommended for you will be available, and the must try will be available. Daily challenges will be available. And articles will be available and refer a friend will be available. Well, finally, help and support will be available. For this recommended for you, there are some new changes was implemented like yes, right. This is the new changes for recommended for you. Actually, it is not moved into the prod. Just get to know it. This is the new changes for recommended for you. It will be applied in this way only. There is for use. There are some UI changes is here. This both banner is Rovi powered. Nothing complexity is here. Okay. And and another one is like a must try section. Okay. In this must try also there are some new changes. It is not moved to prod recently. I will explain that. Yeah, and recently I have telling like new changes means those new changes are only in a UI level part. This must try section will be displayed like this only. So these four tiles will be Ruby powered. We can reorder these four tiles by using the index on the roadmap. We can modify the deep link, modify the image, modify the heading like that.
Okay. So,
Okay.
along with Rovi, is any other banners those are powered by Clever Tap or any other application on homepage?
Clever tab, yes. Yes, yes. I will share it.
Okay.
Actually, this recommended for you, right? Why it is a Rovi means previously it was in Rovi. Okay, but now they have implemented like it was coming in the way of Clever Tap. recommended for you section will be a Clever tab
Okay.
right now. Yeah, and previously it was in Ruby, but now it was in Clever tab. Recommended for you.
Okay. Okay. And
Okay,
how
then
do you guys access it in Clever tab to
actually we don't
change?
have access in Clever tab. Once the Clever tab is was triggered means we will validate it in the like that only. We don't have
Okay.
access
So
because
okay.
the Clever
So
tab validation is not in our scope. Uh,
okay. So the configuration part is take care by product manager or any tech guy from your team only?
a product manager.
Product manager.
Mm. And also another one is my track. This my track it will be there are some segregation in Figma part itself. New changes was coming for this. So what I have open separate screen. Okay.
Okay.
This questions are like hard coded or is it something the system?
Yeah, your new homepage will be your new general homepage will be displayed like this only here afterwards. Maybe some changes will come in future, may not. Okay. This my track section we can slide that slide the part like and each and every part will be displayed like this only. Everything is Rovi powered. And if we tap on any side, any empty space, it will be navigate into that respective part.
Got it.
Everything is Rovi powered. That's all for my track. Recommended for you. Need attention is not coming yet. It's not coming. This spotlight also is not coming. Must try is already I have explained. This everything is a Rovi part. We can edit the deep link on this also. And this daily challenges is just the knowledge for the user, just entertainment purpose. If we tap on these three widget means it will be navigate into the external external page will be external SDK page will be displayed. So it is like it is just a general quiz, general voting survey that like only, and it is not implemented. Refer a friend. If you tap on this section means you can share this application link to your friends with the help of Instagram, Facebook, or anything. It is like a refer your friends section. This FAQ let's chat I have explained earlier. It will be show the FAQs list of FAQs. It will be navigate into the external SDK page. That is a chat page. Chat page itself is a external SDK page, and it is a toll free, and it is a email section. It will navigate you to the email section, and it is this section is a Rovi editable. It is a footer. Right. And that's all from the general homepage. And also there are some new changes was there. Got like what's new? Yeah, just wait a minute. Just hold on, okay? Just hold on. Just hold on. Guys, let me share my screen.
Okay. Yes, it's
Amalan
visible.
Varun, is it visible to you? Excuse me.
I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Is it visible to
Yeah,
you? Excuse me. Hello?
Yeah, Santosh, you are audible.
Okay. Is my screen is visible to you?
Yeah, Sunil is also visible.
It's
Okay,
visible.
okay. This feature was already in prod. This feature is for once if our application have introduced any new features, some other from any journey means uh, this new badge will be displayed to the dialog. It opens. Just wait. like this. In journey level, if any new implementation is in the motor junctions, this badge is like this, like only. In dialer level, it is displayed like, is it visible to you? Is it work like this one? Will get
Okay,
turned.
got it.
So this
Okay.
is
It,
In dialer
it,
level,
it will,
it will get this one.
okay, so it is not yet implemented, right? Like it's not live in production,
Rovi.
right?
Yeah, it is Rovi. It is Rovi.
Rovi.
Yeah, right now it is able to like a Rovi. For
Okay,
validation purpose, it is in Rovi. Okay.
okay,
We
okay.
can.
So,
Okay.
so we have to enable it from Rovi, then it will be visible for my type,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes. And also, if you tap on that badge means that dialer means some banner will be displayed like this. Okay.
Got it, got it.
Got it. If you tap on this means it will be navigate to the respective journey like this.
Okay,
In journey level is just like in tiles level it was displayed in the just like only. Tiles it is displayed like this. See?
okay,
Okay. In tiles display. So it is in dynamic banners it was displayed like this.
I think assisted by
Shimmering. That's what
as a part are you testing that assisted by
it is a dialer feature. Okay. Yes, yes, for this dialer behavior, here, there is no need Sigma because previously we have a feature like if you swipe the bottom state means this dialer will be changing. Okay, in the CR they have implemented like that scrolling feature was blocked in this. Only user can scroll the dialer by using the by tap on that dialog. Okay, if you try to scroll means it was not scroll. It was get blocked in this scenario. User needs to navigate to other section of journeys by using the tap option. Okay. We can't swipe the dialer by touching here. We can tap on this only if we want to navigate means we should tap on this only. If we try to swipe this side means it will be changed. This is the feature for the dialer section.
got it.
Okay, and another one is A/B testing. Yeah, in this A/B testing, they have segregate the user into two pods. One is A tester and one is B testing. This A/B testing only applicable in here only. After the OTP section, this optional page will be appear now in this section only. That if A user, let's consider two users. One is A user and another is B user. Okay. If user enter into the application means uh, if a user enter into the application, we should trigger the database table like t underscore fcm details. From there, we need to take that fcm token of the a user, and it should be pasted into the Firebase. It should be pasted into Firebase. Whether we should display the a user for this new widget or this old widget or new widget. This feature is nothing but it will provide the chance to the product team to show the new user or new widget or old widget to the different users. That's only the application in the validation. It is properly from the Firebase only. We can identify that we can track the number of users, how many users was getting this banner and how many users was getting this banner. We can identify in the Firebase itself. And in this, for this widget, specifically this widget is a Rovi powered. This is a image. This is a background image. This is a description, and proceed is CTA, and we can pass the deep link here by using the Rovi. And if we tap on skip and go to home page, it will be navigate the user to the home page. In these two sections, we need to pass the deep link. If you tap on proceed means it will be navigate to somebody. If you tap on skip to home page means it will go to the front page. Home page deep link will be applicable here. That's all from this. And another one is device connect SDK. Right now it was under the development. It was not moved to the UAT.
Santosh, these are the only user stories or CRs related to homepage which are listed in your Excel sheet, or there are many more, but you have only access to these
Yeah,
user stories.
yeah. Actually, we have access for the Rovi itself, but right now that access was not here.
No, I'm talking about the user stories mentioned in your Excel sheet now.
No, no. I have mentioned. I have segregated the user stories for the purpose of KT.
Okay, okay.
For the purpose of KT only, I have taken. It is
Okay, so these are the only
only from the
uh,
homepage and onboarding.
okay. So these
Okay, these are
nine
the
user
onboarding.
stories. Uh-huh.
Okay, onboarding. Nine, not nine user, not nine. They are nine epics.
Nine epics.
Yes, yes. If we go through the features, what I have taught in that epic means, you will be get
Uh-huh.
100% clarity.
Okay.
They have
Okay.
segregate those features, what I have explained.
Okay.
That's all.
Uh,
Okay, the
okay.
final one is device connect SDK. It is from the onboarding feedback.
Mhm. Santosh, your laptop battery is almost dead.
Yes, 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 a little bit low.
Yeah, like you can hold the line for 2 minutes and connect your laptop, so it shouldn't.
Hmm. Is it clear? Just wait. Is it okay? Actually, in this CR, this is the flow. It is a login page. Amol and Varun, is my screen is visible to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
just view this flowchart. This only the flow. It's very easy. It is a login page. I have explained in the login page now. Once you enter the number and name means it will be go to the OTP screen. Afterwards, it will be go to that optional screen. Setup UPI or skip to home page. That one. If we tap on that symbol, that setup UPI means it will be go to the symbol process. If you tap on skip the OTP means it will be directly to the home page. That is the old flow. New flow, what is the new flow means some additional screen will be introduced here. This gray screen is that additional screen. So what is the screen name means? This is the screen. Sorry, wait. This screen will be induced to the. Is it clear? So what is the objective of this requirement means user should give these four kind of permission before enter into the home page. That's the requirement. This gray part will be the screen, and after and rest of the flow is the flow what I have explained earlier. This gray part only the requirement. That is the permission dashboard page. Okay, in this there are some validations like user have enabled this permission previously means this section will be automatically checked. If you user have not doesn't give any permission means this box is not checked. Okay, if you select only any two permissions or any one permissions means if you select any two permission and tap on continue means that Finbox SDK will be created. Afterwards, Insight API will be called. Insight API, there is a API like Insight API. That Insight API will be called once you select any one of the permission. There are the another scenario like if you doesn't access any permission, if you doesn't give any permission means Insight API will not be called, but SDK will be produced. Uh, in our Figma, SDK is a third party. We don't have that, so I can't explain that. So that's the scenario. And also, we can enable to toggle off the application from the permission setting for from our general homepage. So this is the requirement. It was under the development. It was not yet finished. Yeah. So I believe that I have covered everything.
Help spend 4 बजे food.
So that's all from my side.
Okay, so you're done with the KT session, right, Santosh?
Yes, I have done, yes.
Yeah. Okay. The DB counterpart is pending. Can you tell us the or show us a database?
Database.
Yeah.
Right now there is some connection. There's some connection problem.
If you have database names handy with you, then
yes,
that is
can
also
I?
fine.
Okay. Okay. I will send it to the chat. Okay.
Yeah. If you are able to put that in chat, that then it will be helpful for us.
Okay. Okay.
ये सब कुछ उसने वही बोला है बाकी सब कुछ अशोक ने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया रहेगा शायद अशोक पूरा सर्टिफिकेट
मैंने बात किया अशोक से जीरा में डालता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे अपडेट सब थोड़ा बहुत डिमांड लगा अमित के पीछे पड़ जाए जितना है उतना पूरा एल तो तुझे पता ही है डाटा सेट एपी और डीपी फिर कलेक्शन सब ऑलरेडी है में ज्यादा कुछ आएगा मेजर
Okay.
Okay.
These
So
tables
that
are
I will
used.
match.
Yeah,
Okay,
FMC.
this table for a FCM. FCM data means I have explained right now that the A/B testing. We need to
Yeah.
take that FCM token of the respective mobile and we need to put it to the Firebase. Thereby, we can select what kind of widget was shown to the respective users.
Okay.
And also, it was very helpful for the onboarding process. Once we enter the mobile number, means that mobile number will be registered into this FCM details, FCM
Okay.
data table.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Without giving
Got it.
OTP, those okay. And customer
With
activation table will be show your profile, initial profile, whether you are ABC or non ABC.
hmm.
In what status you have active or blocked. You are blocked. That kind of status will be appear. This activation
Okay.
status will be
Mhm.
like once you enter to the home page after the OTP means whether you
Mhm.
install the app, it will be giving the information like whether you install the app, whether you updating the app, or whether you reinstall the app. That kind of data will be processed here. And also there are cluster of data like your battery charges, your device version, model, whether you are doing in that OS type, everything will be fetched in this fetched here. And customer
Mhm.
login details like whether you log in into the biometrics or whether you are simply entered the
Yeah,
application within the
that
privacy.
is explained. Yeah, that you already explained. And for employee details, when a
So you are not audible to.
hello, am I audible
Hello.
now?
Yeah, now you are
Am I
audible.
audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. And employee details, when HRMS table, HRMS API hit, all the details, those are fetched and validated. Those stored in employee details table, right?
Employee details table will be show you like whether you are ABC employee or non-ABC employee. That kind of details.
Got
And
it,
your
got it,
job
got it.
locations, name, email ID, everything will be. And this page
Okay, okay.
navigation will give in what kind of page you have explored by using some other some specific customer ID.
Okay.
If you enter into the home page and enter into the mutual fund means this page navigation shows like home page, arrow, mutual fund like that.
Okay, got it,
This
got
app
it.
permissions is like what are the permissions that you have that was enabled by you that was showed in this table.
Okay, okay.
That's all.
Okay. Do you have any specific test cases for homepage related user story in Zephyr, or like you maintain
Zephyr.
all the test?
Everything I have
Could
in
you
the Zephyr for that specific user stories. Okay, we'll be sharing later.
could you please show me the location where it's located in Zephyr so I can access it later?
Yeah, it was under the specific epic only.
Okay.
It was
Uh,
if you take any.
Actually, I haven't used Zephyr before, so
Okay,
if
okay,
it will be helpful for me to if you show the
okay,
Zephyr.
okay. Okay, in this Jira itself. Okay, if you tap on Zephyr means if you create new test case means new test case will be created.
Your screen
This
is
will.
not visible.
Can you share one to terminal here?
Okay, for this respective epic,
Mhm.
this loading time. Okay, there are a lot of test cases. Right now Zephyr is loading. It will list out the number of test cases.
Okay, and all the
Wait. It's
Figma links are already there
everything.
in the
All
user stories, right?
yes. Loading from this. Yeah, if you enter into any epic,
நடுவுல எங்கேயா இருந்தா
there will be here I have got
ஓகே அது மட்டும் தான்
Just let me check. I'll check at my end
இதுதான் இப்ப
one.
கரெக்டாகவும் இருக்கு
3969 is the epic ID. Mhm. Excuse me.
கன்ஃபார்ம்டா
yeah, just wait.
அது ஏன் இருக்காதுன்னு நினைக்கிற
Okay.
Okay.
I'll check that. I'm able to see the test cases in the file. Okay.
Yeah, that is
Uh,
the separate. That's all. If you tap
okay.
on this, case will be open.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay, shall we end the call? I have some other meeting now.
Just one more thing. Just I want to confirm three things again. Do we use like is mix panel or any LMS system used for while
Those part
accessing?
will have a separate KT session.
Okay.
Those part will be separate KT session.
For mix panel, you are saying, right?
Yes, yes.
And for LMS related things,
Yes, yes. Yeah,
for
in
the
home
separate.
there is. Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing.
For this
Any
session,
list of API,
amount.
any list of API do you have that is used while logging into the application?
Yeah, for login API, we will have a separate APIs is there. It will be shared later.
Okay.
It will be shared. Okay. It will be
Okay.
shared by the Jira ticket itself.
Okay. So for that, I need to give a reminder to you, or like you
No,
you will
you
be
know,
sending on.
you need not to be reminded to me. You can contact to Shankar Lingam.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Santosh, for
Thank you.
joining call. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.